Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you today. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because I love doing stuff for you. Scoop-a-doop-a-doop-a-boo. I am a little silly today, which is nice for a change. Been a little serious lately, but can't be too serious with makeup. Not the end of the world, it's just some fun. So we're gonna have some fun today with the Revolution Chilled palette with cannabis sativa. You can tell that it's got the marijuana leaves on it, so it's got them cannabis in it. That marijuana. And this is a dream come true for me, a big green palette. And should I swatch it? I think I will swatch some of it. It's a lot of stuff to swatch. Let's just swatch around, see what's what. Oh, I have to show you my shirt. It is a brand new shirt. And this is styled after the Pulp Fiction movie poster. And it says science fiction. And it's got Frankenfurter from the Rocky Horror Picture Show. And I just got this. It's part of my fall collection. My fall collection of t-shirts. But I am digging it quite a bit, and it's an original kind of thing instead of just like the big lips from Rocky Horror Picture Show. I'm a big Rocky Horror Picture Show kind of gal. I was in the cast in the 80s and we performed. Maybe I will swatch this. Oh, I don't know. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's so pretty. So pretty. I'll swatch a little bit more. I have one too many tissues, so I'm going to swatch just some more random colors. And obviously we're going to be doing a green look today, and it's swatching great. Don't want to get green eyeshadow all over. And there's like 3 glitters in here, which some people don't like pressed glitters, but I like glitter. Glitter is cool. And I'm going to be going to see a friend of mine today, socially distanced with a mask, because we like to keep it safe. 100, y'all. Mask for life. Where did that come from? Not quite sure where it came from, but I will enjoy it while it's here. I think I'm going to start with Exhale here. I'm going to start with Relax here in my crease. It's a nice little nudie brown. Very nice. There's little marijuana leaves embossed on several of the colors. And that is very, let me put a little more on this side. I have such trouble getting things even. It's very difficult when you have 2 differently shaped eye areas and brows and so forth and such. With all these greens, it's hard to start somewhere. I'm gonna start with Candyland here. That's lighter, kind of shimmery green. It's picking up nicely on the brush. It's a nice, pretty, pale green shimmer. Of course, I'll be building up with some other darker colors, but I just wanted a starting place. It's not wanting to come off on the other side as much. There we go. I just had to dig in a little. And that's soft and pretty so far. Nothing wrong with soft and pretty. Let's see. Oh, I just hyperflexed my knee. Ow. It's my knee replacement knee, which is not totally pain-free. It's much better than it was, but it's still not awesome sometimes. I'm going to go into Mist with the same brush. I cleaned it off though. Oh, that's nice. Getting that into the crease. Looking cute. Looking cute. We love it when it looks cute. Now let's go a little darker with another brush. This is a little More Us brush, or More US. I got it free from a purchase from Shop Cherry. And I love this brush. It's a great little brush. I think it's worth like $1, but it does a fantastic job. So we're gonna go a little deeper. We're gonna go with Plant. Ooh, this is starting to look really pretty. Cool. These greens are kind of hard to get out. Greens are hard to get out of brushes sometimes, even with the good brush cleaners. Let's see. Let's get a blending brush out and see what happens when I blend this out a little bit. Oh, it's pretty. Pretty, pretty. Very nice. We're liking it. I'm going to go under the brow with Calm, which I will take this fluffy Morphe brush and just go into that. Go under the brow. Ooh, it's got a gold shimmer to it. Very nice. Because I'm going to do a pop of gold on the lid. And the cat is using the litter box, which is great. We want the cat to use the litter box. It's just a little distracting. So I'm going to go into Acapulco. Acapulco Gold was a strain of marijuana that they talked about in the 70s a lot, in the 80s. So I'm going to go into the shimmer with my finger. Go in a little more. Oh, it's super cute. Let me try using my other finger over here. So it's super pretty. I'm not going to do like a totally dark, crazy look. I feel like I want to do some glitter though. And there's 3 glitters. There's a silver, and 2 greens. And I don't think I want to do the silver. I think I want to do the lighter green here. Right there. Right there. And that is called Goodness. No, it's called Goddess. Ooh, it'd be nice if I could learn to read. Goddess. And so I'm going to put a little glitter glue right from the center and then back out, because I don't want to cover up all the gold. I have plans, you see. Plans, I tell you, plans! Oh my gosh, life is too short to be too serious. So I'm going into Goddess now. Beautiful. I'm going to go into it again. It's a very moist, tacky glitter. Oh, it's looking good. It's going on a little chunky over here. I think I had a little too much glitter glue. I'm going to try using my other finger. I just got some glitter under my eye, but that's okay. We're not perfect here. I'm not a MUA. I'm just a RHONDA. That's a Rhonda. Let me get a little brush. Well, it didn't really get rid of anything. But let's do some eyeliner with my Stila Stay All Day. It is such good eyeliner. Super cute. Super cute. We like it. Now I'm going to use the huge mascara. That's also from Stila. And I got this set. And I'm really glad because this mascara is so freaking good. Got this set from FabFitFun as one of my options from the fall box. And I used to use both of these all the time. I'm so glad to have them back in my life. Really, it's even doing a good job even on my left eyelashes, which are crazy short. Awesome. Super cute. We're looking super cute. Now for the lip. I do have some green lippies, but I don't know if I want to go there because it's so sweet. Such a sweet green look. So I think I'm going to go with this. This is from Kokie Cosmetics. It's called Sublime. Yeah. And if you're not familiar with Kokie, it's a very affordable brand. And they have great sales and mystery boxes. I got this in a mystery box, I think. There we have it. A beauteous look for our lovely fall day with Makeup Revolution Chilled Palette. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.